My name is Richard. I'm the store manager here at J&S Accessories in New Malden. We're one of the largest motorcycle clothing and accessories stores in the south of England, and we're situated just off the A3. We have designated parking for motorcycles at the front and the side of the store, and parking for cars across the road. We're one of 25 stores across the UK with a full range of motorcycle clothing and accessories to suit any budget. We have over 600 helmets in store from brands such as Shoei, Arai, Shark and HJC. We have more than 20 brands in store from full face, flip front, open face and motocross. We have a massive selection of jackets and trousers in our clothing department, which is situated upstairs. We have an extensive range of 1- and 2-piece leathers, along with textiles, Gore-Tex and protective Kevlar jeans. We have the largest selection of ladies' motorcycle clothing in the area, including jackets, trousers, helmets and gloves. We have boots to cater for men and women, with different styles ranging from summer sports, winter touring and motocross. We have a great selection of motorcycle accessories such as Jivvy luggage, Scala Rider intercoms and Drift HD cameras.